Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm gonna make this cover for your digital planner. It's super easy and I'm gonna make it for free, so you can download in the description below. But first, please like, comment and subscribe, and let's get started. Okay guys, now we are in Canva. We're gonna go to create a design, custom size 8.5 by 11 inches, creating a design. This is the first page you're gonna see. Let's go from the left, design, and we're gonna write background. Maybe this one, it's also free. I'm going to delete the bubbles. This. I'm going to choose these two layers and I will make them transparent. Okay, go to elements and we're going to write here box. We're going to choose this one. Okay. We're gonna go here like this. Now okay, I'm gonna change the color. Now we are going to duplicate the first layer. Click Ctrl D. Something like this. And now we are going to send the first layer back. So press Ctrl and the left bracket. Ctrl, left bracket. Okay. We are going again to elements and we're gonna write this time binder. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one because it's free and we can change the color. Okay, like this, maybe here. Okay, from here you can change all these colors. Make it like this one maybe white, also this one maybe again white, or this one I'm not pretty sure, to be honest, but okay, I'm gonna stick with this one. Okay, now go to the text and choose a font that you like. I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, I'm gonna delete the text and I will write my own text. Digital planner. Change the color, green and white. Okay, I don't really like this color. Maybe like this. Also this one, maybe like this. Okay, now we are going to elements again and we're gonna write this time flowers. Which one? This one. No, this one. Which one? Which one? I'm gonna go with this one. Like this. I'm gonna duplicate the flowers and I'm gonna go here, flip vertical. I'm gonna make this smaller, rotate, maybe something like this, and make this bigger, rotate, maybe also this little bit rotate. Okay, like this. Now I'm gonna write words and I'm gonna choose this one. If you guys do not have pro account, you can choose this one or maybe this one. It looks pretty cool, to be honest, but I'm gonna go right now with this. Okay, I'm gonna make bigger the layer. I want to change the color. Okay. Delete the birds and enter. Click again this one. We're gonna change the corners, the shape of the corners. Now we're gonna duplicate the layer 11 times. Okay. Grab all these layers except this one and we're gonna make them smaller so it fits to the planner. Okay. I'm gonna group the layers, group it with Ctrl and Z, and we're gonna send the layers back. So press Ctrl and left bracket again, Ctrl and left bracket. Okay, perfect. Ungroup. I'm gonna change these colors. I like this one, to be honest. Yes, I'm gonna keep this one. Go to the text, use a simple font, January, rotate, we change the color, maybe a little bit smaller, like this, and we're gonna copy and paste or duplicate, like this, duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. Okay, now we're gonna change the text February. When this one happens, I really hate it. Okay, Mars and again. Okay guys, I'm gonna change something.